So guys, is your Palworld crashing on startup? If that's the case and you think you have to delete your world or reinstall your game, that might help, but there's another quicker solution. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the game, and here just go to change world settings. It's just that option here at the bottom right there. Now all you have to do is set multiplayer to off. Go to OK button, confirm changes. Now try starting the game again, and there you have it. For me, it solved the problem. Now if your Palworld is still crashing on startup when it's still loading right on this screen like I have right now, well, you might need to reinstall the game, but try turning off multiplayer off first so you don't have to delete your world. It might work. Anyway, just a small video on how to fix Palworld crashing on startup. If it's still not working but you were able to fix it, please return to this video and post a comment. You're going to be helping thousands and thousands of people for whom Palworld is crashing on startup when loading.